Who's that dignified lion-maned dog with a distinctive blue-black tongue and an air of ancient wisdom? The one known for their independent spirit, unwavering loyalty, and a strong sense of self. Yes, we're talking about the iconic, the enigmatic, the truly unique Chow Chow, often perceived as aloof or even aggressive. Is that the full story of this magnificent fluffy cloud? Or is there a deep, devoted, yet intensely independent personality beneath that impressive coat? Today, we're diving into the world of the Chow Chow to uncover why they are a breed like no other, and why they've carved out a special place in the hearts of those who truly understand them. Stick with me. Part 1. Fun Facts. An ancient legacy narrator. The Chow Chow is one of the oldest and most fascinating dog breeds. Originating in ancient China over 2,000 years ago, their history is steeped in legend, dating back to the Han Dynasty. They were truly versatile dogs, used for guarding temples, hunting, herding, and even pulling carts. They were so prized that Chinese emperors kept thousands of chows in their kennels. Perhaps their most distinctive feature, besides their lion-like mane, is their blue-black tongue. This unique trait is shared by only a few dog breeds and is a fascinating genetic mystery. Their name, Chow Chow, is believed to have originated from the Pidgin English used by traders in the 18th century to describe miscellaneous items in cargo, including these dogs. From ancient guardians to royal companions, the Chow Chow truly carries a legacy. Part 2. Characteristics: independent, dignified, and fiercely loyal. A Chow Chow's defining characteristics are their independence, dignity, and unwavering loyalty to their chosen family. They are often described as having a cat-like personality, aloof with strangers, deeply affectionate with their inner circle, and possessing a strong will of their own. They are not typically eager to please in the way a retriever might be. They respect strong, consistent leadership and will comply if they see the point. While protective of their home and family, their guarding instinct is usually expressed through a calm, watchful presence rather than excessive barking or aggression. Early socialization is crucial to help them develop into well-adjusted adults, comfortable with various sights and sounds, but always maintaining their signature reserve. They are not prone to frantic excitement. Instead, they exude a quiet confidence. Part 3. Essential care. The Chow owner's guide to majesty and well-being. Caring for a Chow Chow involves understanding their unique needs, particularly concerning their coat and temperament. The magnificent coat, their dense double coat, either rough, long, or smooth short, requires significant grooming. The rough coat needs daily brushing to prevent mats and tangles, especially around the mane and breeches. Both types shed heavily, so regular grooming is essential to keep their skin healthy and manage shedding. Socialization and training, crucial from puppyhood, due to their independent and sometimes reserved nature. Early and extensive socialization is paramount. Expose them to various people, places, and controlled situations from a young age. Training requires patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement, as they are intelligent but old. A Chow Chow needs a confident, experienced owner who can establish clear leadership. Exercise, moderate and temperature controlled. Chows have moderate exercise needs. A few short walks a day are usually sufficient. However, their thick coat makes them highly susceptible to overheating. They should never be overexercised in hot or humid weather and always have access to shade and water. Wrinkle Eye Care. Their deep facial wrinkles and unique eye shape can make them prone to skin fold dermatitis and eye issues like entropion. Regular cleaning of wrinkles and monitoring eye health are important. Health considerations? They are predisposed to certain health issues, including hip and elbow dysplasia, entropion, skin allergies, and bloat. Choosing a reputable breeder who screens parent dogs for these conditions is vital. Part 4. Why do they capture hearts worldwide? So, what is it about the Chow Chow that has made them such captivating companions despite their independent nature and demanding care? It's their unparalleled dignity, profound loyalty, and unique blend of majesty and quiet devotion. They form an intensely deep, respectful bond with their chosen family, offering a sense of security and a quiet, stoic presence. A well-socialized and trained Chow Chow is a calm, confident, and deeply devoted guardian who will observe and protect with unwavering resolve. They challenge you to earn their trust and respect, and in return, they give you a partnership built on mutual understanding and an unbreakable, albeit dignified, love. Part 5. Think carefully before getting a Chow Chow before you're completely enchanted by their lion-like presence. Here are some honest questions to ask yourself. Are you ready for significant daily grooming to maintain their thick coat? Can you provide early, extensive, and consistent socialization and training with a firm but fair hand? Are you prepared for an independent, sometimes aloof dog that may not be overtly affectionate with everyone? Are you fully aware of and prepared to manage their sensitivity to heat and potential health issues? Are you seeking a dignified, loyal guardian rather than an overly exuberant, constantly seeking attention companion? If your answers are a resounding yes, then you might just be ready for the profound, unique, and deeply rewarding journey of owning a Chow Chow. The Chow Chow is a breed unlike any other, a living legacy from ancient times. combining regal beauty with fierce independence and unwavering loyalty. They ask for understanding, respect, and dedicated care, and in return, they offer a bond that is deep, dignified, and utterly devoted. They aren't just pets. They are magnificent, loyal guardians, and truly cherished members of the family, embodying grace and quiet strength. Do you have a Chow Chow? What's the most cat-like thing your Chow has ever done? Or what unique quirk do they have? Share your stories and tips in the comments below. If you found this video insightful and you appreciate these majestic dogs, please give it a like, subscribe for more breed spotlights, and share it with every dog lover who needs to learn the truth about Chow Chows. Until next time, stay regal and stay wise.